Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I have an amazing Dollar Tree haul for you. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I hope everyone had a beautiful Mother's Day. Mine was very relaxing. Had me some seafood. That's all I wanted. And I just wanted to stay home and relax. That's all I wanted. That's what I got. Alright, so let's get started on this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, now I love peach, anything, peach and watermelon. I love the smell of that. So I seen this peach. Grabbing my scissors. I seen this peach, and yeah, I was like, oh, let's see what this is about. So here it is. The peach. The package is by Be Pure, and Be Pure really, this stuff has a scent to it and it smells good. So it's packaged like this. Okay. Ooh. OMG. Oh, that smells good. Oh, let me put some on. Oh, I like that. Oh. Okay. I put some on. This. Oh, it feels good. Yes, I like that. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so I got that. Yes, peach hand cream. Yes, that smells really good. Yep, got that. I found this little not peach. This disco ball. I'm gonna put this in my car. Cause I have that bling in my car. I don't want to over bling it. So I got some stuff coming from Temu. So that haul should be coming up soon. I got like the black bling because the car is gray and I didn't want to do the white bling, but I like this. Yep, so I got this. This is super cute. It reminds me of back in the day, the disco ball and all that, y'all, from my era. From my era. I absolutely love that. I also picked up these nail gems. Yes, you can get nails with. Yeah. See them. Light is too bright. got one of those. Yes. Got one of those. This one mask that comes here. I also picked up. This was so cute. I'm like by Newport. Okay, Beauty. Necklace Firming Hydrogel Neck Patch. Yeah, I'm gonna stick one of these on too. I got two of these. Okay, I got two of these. Alright. And yeah, it's supposed to firm. Yeah, I could use that. It's supposed to firm you up a little bit. And the Sculpting Hydrogel B-Line Mask enhances jawline, boosts hydration, sculpted look. Okay, and these are the chin-ups by New Pure. I also picked up these. So, I got these, okay. All right. Me some B12 extra strength. I did those by this Vita Globe, and I got the probiotic, super probiotic. I got one each. Okay, got that. All right. And the B12 is to increase energy and cognitive health. Good bacteria for digestive system health for the probiotics, okay? Got a pack of each of that. And I also picked up, I get Ajax grease and puff stuck on stains Ajax Ajax Ultra Super Degreaser. I got that, okay? I got one of those. I always pick up my things from there. Let me know if you pick up your, your products, like your dish detergent and stuff like that there, from Dollar Tree, or do you get it from the grocery store? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I also seen the Peppermint Sage 2-time Mega Cleansing Wipe, y'all. Oh, and they're supposed to be nice and thick. Let's see. I could show you first. I got these here. Okay. I got these, the peppermint and sage. Oh, I love the way it smells. Let's see how thick it is. Okay. Oh, okay. Look at that. Not bad. Nice and tough. Yeah. Nice. Oh, it smells. I love it. The peppermint. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to clean off my desk with that. Yeah, so y'all grab you some of these with plant source fibers and plant derived ingredients. Paraben free and dye free. 30 wipes. And it's do not flash. Okay, got that. I picked up 24 count Kiss Radiance Lip Jellies infused with gold dust and hyaluronic acid. Okay, I got these here. I got these. I think I'm gonna pick up the pink ones too. But you can use these individually to, put in packages. Like if you wanna do like gift bags and gift baskets. So we're going to try these out tonight because I think I'm going to pamper myself this evening. Okay, so I got those. And it's Spa Life. Step 1, open package and remove mask. Step 2, apply mask and gently smooth outer edges. 3, lie back and relax for 20 minutes or longer. Remove and discard mask. Okay, so here we go. We're going to see how it looks, okay? Let me know if you have tried these and let me know how they feel. Leave it in the comment section below. Okay, y'all. was walking around to the one over in PA, the Dollar Tree, the DC in PA, y'all. And I had just ordered some from Temu. I was like, I like these better. So cute. Look. Y'all, look at these. Nice, right? So cute. I gotta open them. I love that pink one. And I love that purple one. Oh man, this is nice and soft. They all cute. Look at this one. Nice and soft. A little flower. Okay, you got the flower. You had the purple star. Okay, cute. You had this here star, like a shooting star. And y'all, the material is soft. It is really soft. Look at the cloud. Oh, cute. You have the dolphin. I guess the whale. The whale. Okay. And you have the rainbow. Those are cute. I had the butterfly on mine now, but let me see. I had the butterfly from Temu, and I have like the, the butterfly that comes with it. So I'm gonna try these on here and see how they do. Yep, it's the same. Super cute. Love it. Y'all, those are adorable. Okay, take that off. Put my butterfly back on. But I absolutely love that. Okay, so I was in the sock section, y'all. I love Ritz crackers, so I had to get Ritz. Yes, I don't need no socks. I'll probably give these to my grandkids if they want them, or I may just keep them for, and I seen Pop-Tarts. It remind me of my daughter, and my daughter loved Pop-Tarts. She loved the Pop-Tarts. Yep, she sure did. She was a Pop-Tart baby. And this took me back. The Peg's candy. I thought that was so cute. But yeah, the Peg's candy, and I just was like, oh boy, it just kind of took me back a little bit. I got these three right here. Okay, got these three. Socks. Alright, y'all, I do believe that is my haul for you today. Hope you enjoyed your Mother's Day again. Please, down in the comment section, let me know what you did for your Mother's Day, and how much fun you had. I just hope y'all just had a beautiful Mother's Day, because we mothers every day, but they just celebrated on a calendar for us, and I'm thankful for that. Yes, but yes, okay, so remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. And listen, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Again, share the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember again, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. I love you, Queen, so much. God bless you. Bye-bye.